In this video, we'll demonstrate how to listen to Spotify offline. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about offline listening on Spotify, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. When you want to listen to music offline on Spotify, it means you want to download the music so you can enjoy it without an internet connection. The first thing you need is Spotify Premium. Spotify offers a free version, but for offline downloads, you'll need the premium subscription. To check if you have premium, tap on the settings cog in the top right. Then go to your account. If you see Premium, you're good to go. Once you have Spotify Premium, you can download playlists, albums, songs, and podcasts. Let me show you how to download an album. In this case, I'll use a sample album. Tap on the album. And once you're there, hit the download button, which looks like a circle with an arrow pointing down. You'll see the songs start to download, indicated by a green arrow next to each track. To access your downloaded content, go to your library and tap on the downloaded album or playlist. Now, you can enjoy your favorite music offline. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.